Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Amazon Big Spring Sale where you can snag some amazing deals on top-rated vacuums from brands like Dyson, Shark, and more. Whether you're looking for an upright, canister, or handheld vacuum, we've got you covered. It's officially spring cleaning season, which means two things. Your floors are probably dirtier than you want to admit, and there are some killer deals on vacuums right now. We're talking Dyson, Shark, iRobot, the big names are all here. In this video, I'm breaking down the 10 best vacuum deals I've found across the Amazon Big Spring Sale. And to make your life easier, I'll drop links to everything down in the description below. Alright, kicking things off with a vacuum that's perfect for all my fellow pet owners out there. The Shark Rocket Pet Pro IZ362H. This isn't just some regular vacuum. It's a cordless beast that's currently a whopping 43% off during the sale. The Rocket Pet Pro packs some serious suction power, enough to handle everything from pet hair embedded in carpets to those stray kibble bits under the kitchen table. Plus, it's got this really cool flexible design that hinges in the center, making it a breeze to maneuver around furniture or reach those awkward corners. And speaking of versatility, this Shark easily converts into a handheld vacuum. Just pop out the main unit and you're good to go for quick cleanups on furniture, stairs, or even the car. With the Amazon Big Spring Sale discount, you're getting all of this for a price that's hard to beat. So if you're tired of battling pet hair and need a vacuum that can keep up, definitely check out the Shark Rocket Pet Pro. Next up is a vacuum that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, and for good reason. The Tineco Floor One S5 is a cordless wet-dry vacuum that's basically in a league of its own. And the best part? It's on sale during the Amazon Big Spring Sale. This Tineco not only vacuums up dry messes like a champ, but it also mops at the same time. It's got this self-adjusting suction technology that automatically detects whether you're on a wet or dry surface and adjusts accordingly. The mopping function uses a separate clean water tank and dispenses just the right amount of solution onto the floor. The Tineco Floor One S5 is also a smart vacuum with a built-in display that shows you things like battery life and cleaning modes. It automatically cleans its own brush roll when you dock it. And speaking of battery life, this Tineco can run for up to 35 minutes on a single charge. So if you're looking for a vacuum that can truly do it all, definitely check out the Tineco Floor One S5 during the Amazon Big Spring Sale. 11. Alright, let's talk Dyson. Now, Dyson vacuums are kind of like the Apple products of the cleaning world. They're sleek, they're powerful, and they come with a premium price tag. But during the Amazon Big Spring Sale, you can snag some pretty sweet deals on even the most high-end models, like the Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean. This upright vacuum is a beast when it comes to tackling pet hair, allergens, and just about anything else life throws at your floors. It uses Dyson's signature cyclone technology to create incredibly powerful suction that digs deep into carpets and pulls out dirt and debris that other vacuums miss. And if you have allergies, you'll appreciate the whole machine HEPA filtration system. The Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean comes with a whopping 8 attachments, including a tangle-free turbine tool for pet hair. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line cleaning machine that can handle anything you throw at it, and you want to save some serious cash, the Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean is definitely worth considering during the Amazon Big Spring Sale. Okay, let's be real. Who doesn't love a good robot vacuum? They're like the Jetsons' dream come true, just set it and forget it. And during the Amazon Big Spring Sale, you can score a fantastic deal on one of the best robot vacuums out there, the iRobot Roomba Y5 combo. Now what makes this Roomba special is that it's not just a vacuum, it's also a mop. The i5 combo uses dual rubber brushes that are specially designed to pick up everything from dust bunnies to pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. The i5 combo is equipped with smart mapping technology, learning the layout of your home and creating personalized cleaning maps. You can set up virtual boundaries using the iRobot app to keep it out of certain areas. Control and schedule your Roomba Wi-Fi combo from anywhere using your smartphone. If you're ready to embrace the future of cleaning, the iRobot Roomba Wi-Fi combo is a fantastic option, especially with the current discount on Amazon. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about handheld vacuums. Specifically, the Black Plus Decker Pivot Cordless handheld vacuum. This little guy might be small, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to quick cleanups, especially in tight spaces. And guess what? It's currently on sale during the Amazon Big Spring Sale. One of the things I love most about this handheld vacuum is its pivoting nozzle. It rotates a full 200 degrees, making it a breeze to reach those awkward nooks and crannies in your car or on furniture. It's lightweight, cordless, and comes with a crevice tool that extends to reach those crumbs and dust bunnies that like to hide under the seats. Another thing I appreciate about the Black Plus Decker Pivot is its bagless design. It has enough suction power to handle everything from pet hair to crumbs and dirt. So if you're looking for a reliable and versatile handheld vacuum that won't break the bank, the Black Plus Decker Pivot Cordless handheld vacuum is definitely worth checking out. Alright, for those of you who prefer a more traditional cleaning experience, let's talk about canister vacuums, specifically the Kenmore 600 series friendly lightweight bagged canister vacuum. This vacuum is a great option for those who want something powerful and reliable without feeling like they're lugging around a small appliance. And yes, you guessed it, it's also on sale during the Amazon Big Spring Sale. One of the things I appreciate most about this Kenmore is its lightweight design. It's equipped with a 2-motor system that provides strong suction for deep cleaning carpets and rugs. Plus, it comes with a variety of attachments to tackle any cleaning task. So, if you're looking for a powerful, lightweight, and versatile canister vacuum that won't break the bank, the Kenmore 600 series is definitely worth considering, especially with the current discount during the Amazon Big Spring Sale. Okay, let's be real. Not everyone wants to spend a fortune on a vacuum cleaner, and that's totally understandable. But just because you're on a budget doesn't mean you have to settle for a subpar cleaning experience. The Levoit LVAC-200 cordless vacuum is proof that you can get a lot of bang for your buck, especially during the Amazon Big Spring Sale. This cordless stick vacuum is lightweight, versatile, and surprisingly powerful for its price point. It's perfect for small to medium-sized homes and apartments, and it's great for quick cleanups. At just 3.2 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture and up and down stairs. It converts into a handheld vacuum, which is great for cleaning upholstery, stairs, and even your car. It can run for up to 50 minutes on a single charge, which is longer than many other cordless vacuums in its price range. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly vacuum that doesn't skimp on performance, the Levoit LVAC-200 is a fantastic choice. Now, let's talk about a vacuum that's perfect for those who live in small spaces or just want something super convenient for quick cleanups. The Shark Wandvac Cordless handheld vacuum is incredibly compact, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful for its size. And yes, you guessed it, it's also on sale during the Amazon Big Spring Sale. One of the things I love most about the Shark Wandvac is its size. It weighs just 1.5 pounds, which makes it incredibly easy to maneuver and carry around the house. Despite its small size, the Shark Wandvac packs a punch when it comes to suction power. It has enough power to handle everyday messes like crumbs, dirt, pet hair, and even small spills. Plus, it comes with a crevice tool and a pet multi-tool, which are great for getting into those hard-to-reach areas. The crevice tool is perfect for cleaning along baseboards, in between couch cushions, and in those tight spaces around furniture. So, if you're looking for a compact and powerful handheld vacuum, the Shark Wandvac is a great option, especially with the current discount. Let's talk about a vacuum that's packed with smart features, the Shark Detect Pro. This cordless stick vacuum takes the guesswork out of cleaning with its intelligent debris detection technology. And of course, it's available at a great price during the Amazon Big Spring Sale. The Shark Detect Pro senses what kind of mess it's dealing with and adjusts its suction power accordingly. Another great feature is the self-emptying base, which automatically empties its dustbin into the base's larger dust cup. The Shark Detect Pro also boasts a powerful cleaning head with LED headlights that illuminate dust and debris in dark corners. If you're looking for a smart vacuum that makes cleaning effortless, the Shark Detect Pro is a fantastic choice. And last but not least, let's talk about another great robot vacuum option, the Lefant M310 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This budget-friendly robot vacuum is packed with features that make cleaning your home a breeze. And with the amazing discount during the Amazon Big Spring Sale, it's an absolute steal. The Lefant M310 boasts smart mapping technology, learning the layout of your home and creating efficient cleaning paths. You can set virtual boundaries to keep it out of certain areas like pet bowls or play areas. Controlling the Lefant M310 is super easy with the included remote control or the Lefant app. If you're looking for a hands-free cleaning solution without breaking the bank, the Lefant M310 is a great option. So there you have it, 10 amazing vacuum deals from the Amazon Big Spring Sale that will help you keep your home spotless without breaking the bank. From cordless stick vacuums to robot vacuums and everything in between, there's a vacuum on this list for every need and budget. I've included links to all of the vacuums mentioned in the description below, so be sure to check them out and grab your favorites before the sale ends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews, tips, and deals. Thanks for watching. Happy shopping.